Hi explorers! I saw Katelyn's video about her plant experiment and I thought it would be really fun to try it too. So I have got mine set up in the window. My daughter helped me to put them all in the bags. I'm really excited to see what's going to happen. I wonder which ones are going to grow. So I used a different kind of seeds than Katelyn did. We had some flower seeds. So we have these big ones here are nasturtium. And they're a flower that you can eat. And then these little teeny ones down here are called phlox. So we have our ones with just the seeds. We have the bag that just has the dirt and the seeds. We have our bag that has just the water. And these ones have been here for about 7 days or 1 week. And nothing's growing in them yet, but they definitely look different than the ones that have no water. And then this bag is the one with the dirt and the water. You can see all the water droplets in there. So I actually planted some of these in pots as well before this experiment started. So these ones are just started to grow, and these are the nasturtium. So that's what it's going to look like when they start growing. And then my phlox hasn't come up yet, so I'm not sure what that one's going to look like. It has been about 10 days since I first put the seeds into the bags. There's still no change in the seeds only one. They're exactly like when we put them in. There's nothing that I can see in the dirt only bag. In the water only bag, it's kind of hard to see, but it kind of looks like it's fluffy almost in there. So we'll see what happens with those ones. And then just yesterday I noticed that the seeds in the dirt and water one of them has grown so much in the last day. So you can see the stem, and then the leaves are starting to grow. And then down here, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the root goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. So I am going to move this one into a pot with some soil so it has space to grow. So you can see that the root is really, really long. You can see the seed up at the top as well. So just make a little hole for the plant to go in and gently place it in the soil, and then pat all the soil around to keep it up so that it can stand up tall and get sunlight. And then once we go back inside, I'll put a little bit of water in the pot as well so that it has some moisture. So it has been 2 weeks since we put our seeds into the bags, and this is how big the nasturtium has gotten so far that had sprouted in the dirt and water bag. And then here and here are our little phlox seeds that had sprouted, and we put them into a pot so they could grow bigger. So it's kind of hard to see, but right down at the bottom of that bag you can see that the phlox seed has started to grow a little root. It's like a little white hook coming out of it. So I'm excited to see if it's going to sprout leaves as well. And that's in the water only bag. So I will keep you guys posted on what's growing, and hopefully some of the other seeds start to sprout as well.